This video shows you how to add or change your pronouns in Workday. Pronouns are optional to add in Workday. Once added, you can remove or update your pronouns. Pronouns default to being hidden to other users in Workday, but I'll show you how to make this public when someone searches your Workday profile. To navigate to the Pronouns section, go to your worker profile by clicking the profile icon and then clicking View Profile in the drop-down menu. From your worker profile, locate the Personal tab on the left panel. You may have to click More to see this tab. We're now on the Personal tab, which has information organized by subtab. Pronouns are located on the Personal Information subtab. It looks like Evan hasn't selected their pronouns yet, so let's click Edit to add them. We're now on the Change Personal Information page. On this page, you can edit your gender, date of birth, race/ethnicity, citizenship status, sexual orientation, gender details, and finally, your pronouns. Let's click the edit icon, which is the pencil. A drop-down list displays with available selections. Pronouns can be used for reporting purposes in Workday, but more importantly, they give you a chance to self-identify. Some of the available options include he, she, they, ze, or a combination. There are a lot of options listed, but you can navigate to the Additional Data subtab to enter your pronouns there if you do not see yours in this list. Let's select he/they for Evan and click Save, which is the check mark button. Evan's pronouns display as added. Now this is important because although the pronouns say added, we still have the Submit button at the bottom of the page to click. By clicking Submit, you're saving your pronoun selection. I'll click Submit now. I get a confirmation that I submitted my pronouns. At this point, Evan's pronouns are displayed to me as I'm logged in as Evan, but Evan must opt into public view for it to display for others to see. Let's do this now by following the instructions provided here in Workday. We need to go to Evan's account, so I'll scroll back up to the top of Workday and click the profile icon. I'm clicking My Account, which displays the My Account menu of options. Let's click Change Public Profile Preferences. The Change Public Profile Preferences page allows you to decide if your pronoun displays on public profile cards on your worker profile. You have the option of either hiding your pronoun from public view or showing your pronoun to all. If you choose to display your pronoun, it will display on your worker profile under your name and on the public profile card. Support roles will continue to have access to this data as defined by your organization. Let's click Show to All and then click Save. Great! Now I can see that the process was successfully completed in Workday. I'll click the Summary tab to navigate to Evan's worker profile. Whether he made it public or not, Evan can see his own pronouns on his worker profile. To give you an example of another employee who shared their pronouns, let's look up Martha Manager. Let's click her name. As Evan, I can see Martha's pronoun under her name. Martha uses she as her pronoun. Good to know. Thanks for sharing, Martha. And thank you to everyone for learning how to change your pronouns in Workday.